What is up, guys? I'm doing my science project. Well, actually, I have to read this. My mom already signed the paper, so I can bring it in tomorrow. Today, so it's dark, as you can probably see. And I would not have my light on if it wasn't dark. So, let's start reading. 1. Always have the science teacher's permission before entering the lab. For class, students are not allowed in the science prep room. 2. Listen to all instructions carefully and obey teacher's permission before beginnings. So, 2. Listen to all instructions carefully and obtain teacher's permission before beginning an experiment or procedures. 3. Follow directions and safety instructions explicitly. Use lab equipment and materials only as directed. 4. Work with assigned group members only. Double check with lab partners or proper procedures. If you have questions or you're not sure to proceed, stop and ask the teacher. 5. Use safety glasses and other equipment as required. 6. Follow the directions for handling all lab equipment safety. Observe the 6-inch rule for all lab equipment placed on table. So if you have a table, don't sit it on the edge. Do it 6 inches away from the table or just in the middle. For all lab requirements placed on tables. 7. Follow cleanup procedures after lab. Return equipment to proper places. Check with teacher for proper disposal of used materials. Wash hands before removing safety glasses. 8. Never eat or drink in the lab. Never use lab glassware as food or drink containers. Never inhale fumes from chemicals. Dress safely for labs. Secure or remove loose baggy clothes. Tie back long hair. Do not wear open-toed shoes or sandals. 10. Accidents do happen. Report any accidents, injuries, spills, or damages equipment to a teacher. Say a chemical gets on and when you get hurt it bleeds a different way where the skin is peeling off from a chemical. Tell a teacher if the chemical gets on you or something. Another thing, it doesn't say it, but if the chemical spills on you by mistake, don't go to a teacher and show them, because what would happen, it could be a big, huge problem, if something happened. I'm on the back now. The back. 11. Know the locations and the proper use of the fire extinguisher, fire alarm, eye wash station, fire blanket, and first aid kit. 12. Students' positions must be kept off the lab floor and away from cleanup areas. Now the end before you sign. I agree to follow the above lab safety rules for my own protection and the protection of my classmates. I realize that violations of these rules may result in my not being allowed to participate in the lab exercises and could affect my conduct grade. Student Senator Matthew Davis. And parents and you guys don't need to know that. Now we have to go on to this page. I just read my safe science lab safety review. I have a test tomorrow, so I better get this done. We'll have a test today, so let's get this done. If there is a fire while you are in the lab, use the exit closest to you and directed by the teacher. Behave quietly, responsibly, and line up at the spot for attendance. Pull the fire alarm. If you get something in your eye, go to the eye wash station and rinse your eyes for at least 15 minutes. Get help from a teacher. Do not rub your eyes. If there's a chemical spill, move away from the area. Tell the teacher. Don't try cleaning it up yourself. If there's a student's clothes catch on fire, what should you do? Get the fire blanket, wrap it around the student, and stop, drop, and roll if necessary. Tell a teacher, stay calm. Yeah, when you're on fire, you can't really stay calm, but stay calm. Like, go to a teacher, the teacher's gonna definitely see the fire. Like, if your clothes get on fire or something, they're probably definitely gonna. What do you do when the teacher says, time is up for the activity? Stop the activity, quickly and quietly put the materials away. Clean up area, sit quietly for other distractions or dismissal. When should you wear the safety goggles? You should always wear safety goggles when working with heat, chemicals, or other objects that could break, expand, or in some way get in your eyes. Whenever the teacher directs you to wear your goggles. Here is my map for my room. When I go in, it's like this. The doorway is here. And then you go around the corner. The eye wash station, the fire extinguisher, and the blanket is right on the wall, right when I turn the corner. Eye wash is on the sink. Phone is right around on the other side, and the prep room is right here. I'm not supposed to go in there. And there's another fire extinguisher right by the prep room on the wall right here. So that's pretty good. I'm going to read it one more time, everything again. But I'm going to let you guys go because I think studying is more important than me doing YouTube with it. So I already read once. I think I understand it. I'm actually not going to read it again because I don't need to. I know everything. No going to the science room. Wait. Number 1, don't go in the science prep room. Number 2, oh no. So, to get permission. So, I bet we could probably I bet she'll let us use it.